Let's use Classwize's Focus feature to limit where our students can browse to during a certain session or class period. Now, I've already created my classes, and if you are not already, if you don't already have your classes set up in Classwize, please see the previous tutorial. I will go ahead and start by going into one of my classes, and let's see, this class has started. I only have one demonstration class or the student in my class. They're not logged in right now, but you would see all of your students here if your class session was started. And to start a focus, let's go to Class Tools and click on Focus again. A focus means when it is turned on, that these are the only places students can browse on their Chromebooks. So let's create a new focus. And I want to save this focus to my library because I'm going to want to use it again. In this demonstration, I am going to pretend like I'm creating a focus that I would only turn on when students are doing their Savas Momentum Math Diagnostic. So I'll just call this Math Diagnostic. And the resources are the web pages that they only can go to. So I need to think about where do students need to go and click through to get to Momentum Math. The first place they need to go is ClassLink. So I'm just going to type in ClassLink, and it comes up as a known resource. And do I want the tab to open when I start this focus? Sure. The other one is they need to go to Savas. So I'll just start typing in Savas and choose Savas. Now another one I might want them to use is a calculator from Smarter Balance. And if I have that URL, because I can just either type the name of the web page or the actual URL. So I have the URL copied and I'll paste it right here. So they can go to this website right here. If these are checked, that means it'll actually open the web page for the students and make them to go there. If there were any other websites I wanted them to be able to go to, I would add them here. For instance, if I had another website that I wanted students to go to after they finished the diagnostic, I would need to add it here, or they would be locked out during this class session. So once I've added all of these, that's great. The next step is to go down to the bottom and click Select Students. I would select all the students I want this to pertain to. Again, my example here only has one student. And when I click Apply Focus, now this student, if they were actually on, would have all of their other tabs closed, and those 3 tabs would be the only ones that they could browse to. When I'm done with this, I can turn it off just by, as you can see right here, that we are in the focus of the Math Diagnostic. If I went, oh no, I need to add another resource or another web page that they can go to, I can click this edit button. Or if I want to end the focus, I just click this X, and now they are free to browse just like they usually can. So Focus is a really nice tool to limit where your students can go. When I set up the focus, you'll remember that I clicked to save it in the focus library. So when I come to my next period's class, it would already be in the focus library, so I don't have to build it. I only have to build it once as long as I save it in the focus library.